Hi guys, Elizabeth here, coming at you fresh-faced to bring you a beauty video. This is the Play by Sephora October 2018 beauty box, and since I have a lot of heavy-duty manual labor I'm going to be doing after this video, I thought at least this way you can see how my skin is doing with all the skincare and stuff I've been using. I've received different beauty boxes over the last 3 or 4 years, and even though I haven't settled on one particular skincare, or hair, I mean, you can tell I'm in my mid-50s, look at that there. I am trying to use up all of my products, especially going into the new year, so I've been pretty faithful this last year, and I think it's really been reflecting on my skin. Now I do have a little bit of crow's feet, a little bit of ridges there, but I think it's doing pretty good. Okay, with Play by Sephora, $10 a month beauty subscription box from Sephora. Every month you get this card for 50 beauty insider points. Shop in store, it says, or online. So maybe they're going to start doing that every month. You get a pamphlet. Scary Good Beauty is this month's theme, but you get a pamphlet that describes your products and different ways you can use them. They used to have a drawstring box, now they've moved to this reusable play bag, and it's got, well, it's not a zipper, well, it's one that you push together. Like, remember that old time? Anybody old enough for me to remember, you know, not the zipper ones, but where you push them together? And it is a reusable bag. So I'm going to dump everything out and show you what I received. The first is, I did read about this last night. It kind of confuses me. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Banana. Now, it's a light yellowish tan. I'm not sure what skin tone that is going to match. And here's why I say that. I put it on my, getting a little glare. I'm not thinking that's going to match very much at all, but then when I, rub it out, it gets a little bit better. So I'll have to try that, but it also says it's a highlight and a contour, which to me a highlight is lighter, which might work as a highlight, actually. But isn't a contour like darker? Am I missing something in the beauty world? If you understand how it works as a foundation, a highlighter, and a contour on the same person, you let me know. But I've received about that much product, so I am going to try it, and if it doesn't match my skin tone, it looks like it's going to be a tad bit light, I will consider using it as a highlighter. The next item, I was so excited when I found out this was a possibility to be in the beauty boxes. It is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. And I have used this product before, the All-Nighter, and it is wonderful. It will really hold your makeup all night. It usually holds my makeup way past the time I've come home and don't need it to hold it anymore. So that was, or is, a great product for me anyway. 0.50 fluid ounces, 15 milliliters. Happy with that. The next item is from First Aid Beauty, Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. This is a moisturizer. It says use a quarter size on a clean face. Kind of has a little bit of gel consistency, it looks like to me. It's like a gel lotion hybrid. And it does feel soft and moisturizing. So, like I said, I've been trying to use up all of the skincare, moisturizers, serums, and I think they've been working out for me. The next is in the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in 03 Medium, which I believe is my color. And so I am happy to be having that. Now sometimes they send you an email to tell you what's in your product. And I think I said I was going to get 05 Dark Brown, which is too dark for my hair any longer. I do color it to light medium brown. medium light brown. I don't quite remember the name of it, of the color I color my hair to, but it's generally a really deep chocolate, but because I'm losing some of my hair, my skull shows through, I like to put it a little lighter so it blends in. So I'm very excited for this eyebrow color. I'm glad I got the 03. I thought the 05 was going to be a little bit dark, and they sent me the 03. So I'm happy about that. The next is the Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. Oil-free radiance boosting serum that evens skin tone. That will be nice. I do have some dark spots forming, happening. So something that evens out my skin tone, makes my face look nicer. I'm all for that. It's a serum, and so it feels wonderful going in. We'll see how it works on there. And then the last thing, which I would love to be able to try out for you, is the Kat Von D. What is it? This A Tale of Two Scents, Saint and Sinner, and they scent both. I am probably going to just throw this as an extra in one of my friends' Christmas gifts or birthday gift or something. I did try it out. I didn't try it out. My husband tried it out for me. He really likes the Saint, not that much into the Sinner. The Saint is floral, top notes mandarin, middle notes are jasmine and vanilla, and the base notes is creamy musk. It sounds like something, if I didn't have that coughing issue, that I would love to try. And the Sinner is earthy and woody. Top note is orange blossom. Middle notes are cinnamon and white floral, and the base note is patchouli. So, dual perfume sample for those who like perfume. I prefer the when they put the hair masks and things in there. And then a really nice size all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. Yay, they got my color Gimme Brow from Benefit. I always love to try out serums. Caudalie Vino Perfect, I think that said Radiant Serum. The First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. I think last time we had a lot of water products and water from different country products and stuff. And then, last but not least, is the Anastasia All-in-One Stick Foundation Highlighter Contour. If you have used this product, give me some hints down below on how to use it. Thanks for hanging in there with me. And if you're one of my viewers that likes to watch declutter, hang on. This is the end of the beauty box, but if you want to see what I've been doing lately on the declutter, hang on. I'm going to show you what I've been working on. I finally worked on the closet at the end of the hall. Last time my Christmas tree was in that other room, and I have been able, looks like a ghost. My Christmas tree is dressed up for Halloween, but I was able to put the Christmas tree in here. Those are pictures that we're going to keep for the future when the downstairs turns from a playroom into a sitting room. Here are some that we're considering passing on, but they are more expensive pictures and stuff, because if you give them to Goodwill, well, not only do you not get the money back out of them, but a lot of times people take the frames and throw the pictures away, and those are items I would hate for that to happen to. These are just some spare things when I change frames and stuff out. I actually created that one. My friend had a party, and that's what we did. She bought the frame, and then we colored it. So I've got some ornaments and stuff up there. So I actually finished the dreaded, I don't want to call it a Monica closet because there were mainly only pictures and lamps in it, but that used to be full. And here is the decision stuff. This I need to break down. That box actually received a big vase I'm going to donate. Well, some of it's throwaway, but those pictures I think I'm going to donate. That lamp is a donate. These I need to take downstairs for when the playroom becomes a sitting room. I'm putting them in the downstairs, what do you call that? Downstairs storage room. These type of things are ones I need to put up on the wall. Isn't that cute? My mom got that for me. She said she thought I'd like that. I've never like really been into bunnies that much, but I thought that was very cute of her to think of me. My mom's passed now. And this is going to be undecluttered. It is a bookshelf. It's sitting on its side right now. And I took everything off and put up here. But I was going to go through all my pictures and put them online and make a book like I've made these other books. Like here, you get to see my mom's beautiful face. Like I took a lot of my mom's pictures and just turned it into, you know, a book of her life and things. And I am going to do that with pictures. And so all these boxes, except for, I guess that's my husband, Terry Pre-Beth. I'm going to leave that there because his, you know, future, his kids and grandkids will be interested in that. But I'm going to go through all of the pictures and stuff and make it into a book, which I'm more likely to look at the pictures then, instead of, there's me with, than have it all sitting there. But the reason I'm bringing I'm going to put the shelving unit there. The reason I'm doing that is because I've let this sit here too long and it's pretty heavy to just be sitting on that. I mean, it hasn't felt like it was going to fall down, but until I get the pictures scanned in and all that tossed away, I would rather it sit on the bookshelf than to add extra weight to that wire rack. So, thanks for hanging in, the guys who are interested in my decluttering too, and I will talk with you guys later. Bye.